Hi, I'm in my live site. I pushed to live a staging environment to live, and this plugin was having problems, so I tried to delete it, and it wouldn't delete. So what I did was I went into FileZilla and deleted it from plugins. So Crazy Egg is not here anymore. It's still here, and if I go to delete it, I just still can't delete it. So I've been doing some reading, and I went to terminal and logged in via SSH and did a listing of my plugins from there, so listing it, and it's not in this list either. So I'm not sure where this Crazy Egg or why it stubbornly won't delete. Now I went into PHPMyAdmin because it says here that sorry, just a second. Browse the table WP options and find the option active plugins. So there should be a table of active plugins, and if I go to PHPMyAdmin for my website, not the staging environment, but it is the same on the staging environment anyway, and go to options, it's not here. So active plugins is not here. The table is not here. So that's as far as I've gotten, and I'm now stuck, and I'm wondering if you may be able to help with that. So I'll pass it over to you. Great. Thank you. Cheers.